So that is how you cross the street here in Vietnam. Just a swarm of bike. Oh man, my batteries go low. Why is that? Don't know. Might have to check it. Battery gone low. Fuel gauge on low. That's Vietnamese in a nutshell right there. A motorcycle, versatile and can do anything. Come on people, let me through. Come on man. Just need to drop this front tire down and I'm good to go, man. Okay, you fuck. So it's Easter season right now, and today is Monday, Thursday, I guess. Monday, Thursday, yeah. So as a Christian, now I'm gonna have to get to church to catch the ceremony, which happened at 6:30, and now it's 6 p.m. so I got 30 minutes to commute to church. Hope I can make it. Usually I get from work to home is 25 minutes, and the church is even further away. So let's hope we catch it. So I get off work a bit earlier today. Usually 6:30 or 6:15 I get out of work, but today I get out of work a bit early to go to church. Hope I can make it. So it's 6 p.m. but it is still bright. You know, summertime. The sun going down way much later. So the sky is still sort of bright, not that dark. I feel like with the mask I put on, my voice seems a bit muffled, you know. So I'm just gonna pull it down a little bit so you guys can hear my voice much clearer. Ah, 60-second red light. Come on, man. You have the whole road in front of you and you decided to fuck. We have Friday, Saturday, Sunday is the 3 important days in our Christian community, I guess. So there will be a lot of going to church involved in those days, and most of the ceremony happens after 6 p.m. So I really have to adjust my my workflow a bit more. Can't just, you know, working and playing at the same time. I just have to focus on working so I can get out of work early. Okay, so it's 70 seconds of red light, so I'm gonna use the same method that I used this morning for this intersection right here. I'm just gonna make a turn and then go around to skip this red light, because I don't want to sit here 70 seconds and then go, you know, just hard. So I'm just gonna go right away, take a right here, I hope I can go faster this way, but I don't know, man. This is a brand new bike, eh? No license plate yet. Brand new, out of the crate. So make the left turn here, go around that intersection right there, but okay. So that is how you cross the street here in Vietnam. Just a swarm of bike moving, so you can blend right in. Everybody gonna have to stop and wait for you to pass, because there are like 15 bike want to cross the street. A swarm of bike. So the car driver is pretty upset about that problem, because you know, bike can go wherever they want to go, whenever they feel like to go, and the car is pretty upset about it. Right turn right here. Okay, we're gonna take the tunnel right now, because we can take the car lane, because we can as well. The problem with moving in this car lane is that people from the bike lane, they're not paying attention, and they can pull out right in front of you, so there will be an accident. Or even like that guy over there doesn't even know there's a car behind him honking to move aside. Oh, so I think I'm gonna make it easy right now, you know. It's only 10 minutes past and I'm already here. It's like 10 minutes more, so I can get to church. Now, should I make a right turn, make a left turn here? Because, okay, I'm just gonna make a left turn here. If I make a left turn here, I'm gonna enter the busier part of the city. Small street, a lot of people in there. But if I take the this road right here, which the road is much bigger, and we have a lot of bridge to go, I think I might make a sneaky move right here and pull up here. Don't hit me. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna pull up right up here. See, swarm of bike. This is how you get across the street the fastest in Hanoi city. You get into a swarm of bike. Even that bus trying to make a new turn have to decide, you know, go careful. There's like 20 bike over here trying to cross the street. This is the power of the people right here. Even though we're small, but there are a lot of us just going right across. And sometimes in town, even though when there's not when the traffic light is not turned green yet, but if the cops see a lot of people standing there, they're gonna let you pass to eliminate the traffic jam in that specific time and specific part, you know. So it is pretty cool to get into a swarm of people to get across the street. Okay, people are doing some aerobic in there, burn some fat, which I should do, but nah, I'm gonna have to go to church. I'm a church man. So it could be a long ceremony today. Going in at 6:30, might get out at, you know, 9 p.m. So it's a easy 2.5 hour at the church. So yeah, that is one of my one of the things that I have to take a note of, is that in that 2.5 hour or sometimes 3 hours, I cannot work. So I have to plan my work ahead and, you know, spread it to other people so they can help me out with some work, so the deadline doesn't, you know, so we can meet the deadline, you know. In Vietnam in general, there's a lot of people that follow the Buddhists. I just forgot the word, but you know, there's not a lot of Christians, so it is hard for people to understand why we have to go somewhere for like 2 or 3 hours. Forget about the work. Nah, I didn't forget. I planned it out all ahead. And there's this small gas station right here, so that's why there's a lot of traffic jam right here, because people trying to get gas and people trying to go. When they collide, they make this mess right here. Yeah. Oh, so there's a gas station slash beer shop. You see, there's a lot of people trying to get gas. That could be me as well, but not right now. Still got 1 bar left to go. Now, what are you doing, man? What are you even doing? People act like they don't have nowhere to go. Oh shit. Almost crashed right there. That is one of the things that you have to put up with when you living in this small city, you know. Lost my nose. You can see the moon up there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying. I'm turning my head upward like a crazy person. No helmet, huh? Interesting. Let's see. Oh yeah, 6:15. Yeah, we got plenty of times. We can make a trip around the city and come back and still make it in time. Shit. So this is the gold street, you know, gold. They sell a lot of gold here. So it is a go-to place. Come on, man. Not a red light. Bitch, please. Now I really feel the heat. It's a one-way road, man. Where you going, man? Well, I guess they do what they want to do here. So as you guys can see, that it's getting dark pretty quickly. It's like 15 minutes and it's already dark. So the sun is not playing any games right now. You want to go out, he just go out like that. 15 minutes when it's bright. Now it's gloomy and dark and sad. Oh shit, news. Keep on composed, keep composed. You're about to go to church. No swearing. No swearing. I think I just swore a couple minutes ago. Now why are these guy brake lights so bright? You can see the road, man. People keeps on turn their high beam on when they're in this small city. So even they're turn the high beam on, or they're not turning any light on at all. So that's weird. The high beam, like that guy, straight at me. I can't even see the fucking road. I just cursed right there, man. Feeling so guilty, man. I'm gonna have to go to church, cleanse it all out. Okay, let's go. What are you doing, bitch? Oh, I'm just cursed again. Oh, 6:18. God, man. 18 minutes? I can put up with that. I don't go very fast, and the road is mediocre. It's not full and it's not anything. Okay, here's the church, Ham Long Church. Just gonna pull in right here. Chop chop. Apparently there's gonna be a lot of people, so they leave all their bike out here, so we can have more space inside for the people to go to the ceremony. Okay, I'm out.